Outside, see the snow? Look at that. We've been walking out there a ton and it's already, look how hard it's coming down. Alright, let's shut that and let all the heat out. What's up guys, Matt Tolbers. So tonight we are sleeping in a shed. So it is actually snowing very hard outside, but it's nice and dry and warm in here. We got our heater going. We got a kind of a Happy New Year's theme going here because it is just after Christmas and it is about to be 2022. So that is the theme we went with, if you guys can kind of see here. There it is. We're going to turn that Tolbers camping. That's my daughter set that up. And then we got our heater going here. Got some Happy New Year's kind of tablecloths going on just to add a little bit to it. And then we got the lights. We got some lights up here. Got some lights up there. And then we got our lofts. There's my daughter's up there. And then mine, if you can see it, is up there. So we're going to be having some food and trying to stay dry and warm, and this should be fun. So as of right now, it is 29 degrees outside, and it is 46 degrees inside with our heater going. I do have the big Mr. Buddy heater, and I have it on high for right now. I also have the regular Mr. Buddy heater, but because this area is so big, it's like 16 by 10, and it being uninsulated, I kind of needed the bigger heater. So I don't need it to be hot in here. I am very comfortable in my hoodie right now, so maybe you guys can hear the snow because this is actually a metal roof, so you can actually hear the kind of like sleety type snow hitting the roof. We also got a couple little window clings. Say Happy Holidays. My daughter put them on there. Got a couple here just for, you know, and you guys can see there's all the snow and ice on the outside here. And we do have the windows. We do have the windows cracked because we are using a propane heater. A little bit of snow on there, but not much. And this side, no snow is really coming through. So, and then this is my daughter's sign. You can see Tolbers camping going on there. And we got a little tree kind of behind there. And then it's so bright I can't even see it. We got like a little tree going on behind there. We're about to light up our candle here. Got a reindeer treats candle going on. This is my brand new butane stove. This is like supposedly one of the best you can get. I think the company is Iwatani. So it's supposed to have like really good safety features, and here's the butane. So we're gonna be cooking on this tonight. And there's my power station that I always use. You can light these for, these lights will run a long time with this going. There's the 2022. We got our cheers cups with just some water in them. I wanted eggnog, but unfortunately didn't have any eggnog left. So we got our ice cold water in here. Got a couple lanterns. And then we have carbon monoxide detectors going. Obviously, you can see there's 0 carbon monoxide in here. And I also have a carbon monoxide detector over here also.
So this is my cot area, whatever. Then I have a little bag and some other sleeping bags, a little trash bag over there, gloves, and
She's got a sleeping bag she's going to use, but she brought these blankets for right now. I think it's good. That snow is definitely coming down, especially right here. I can really hear it hitting the side of the shed here, but we're nice and warm and dry inside the shed. I had to clean out the shed a little bit. It was pretty messy. I had to kind of clean out up top up there, so could get my bed up there. Then we cleaned it up over here so she could get hers. So we just wanted to be nice and comfy in here, but yeah, so far there's plenty of room in here, and we're gonna have some hot cocoa here in a second. So, excited? You excited?
You should watch a recording of you.
What?
We're gonna use Swiss Miss for some hot cocoa. Put it on this.
Now turn that on.
This way? This way.
Yep,
How hard?
that's good. Now press the button.
What button?
There's a button right here. Press the button.
That scared the...
Now put that on there in the middle. You gotta make sure it's balanced good in the middle.
Right there?
Yep, that's good. We're gonna let the water boil.
Yep.
Or actually, we don't need it to boil. We need to get it warm.
We're gonna have some hot cocoa by this little whatever it's called, heater.
Mr. Buddy heater time. 50 degrees in here. Nice and toasty.
If you remember the joke in the van camping when it was snowing, meet me under the mistletoe.
Always.
Go see that video and you'll know. Soon we will be having some macaroni with some brats, I think.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be.
We're just having some hot cocoa for now, and then we'll eat after.
Yep.
How's it looking? How's it looking?
It's a little bubbly.
Swiss Miss. Milk chocolate, hot chocolate.
The instructions look pretty easy.
Yeah, add some water and stir it, and you'll be good to go.
You should try it out yourself. Only
Have some warm hot cocoa with the Mr. Buddy heater while it's snowing inside our shed. This is awesome.
if you stay tuned, we're gonna make some s'mores.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that looks so good. Mixed it up now.
Nice new
Cocoa.
chair she got for Christmas.
For my aunt.
From your aunt?
Mhm.
Shout out to your aunt.
Oh, look it! Did you see all that fall down there?
Uh-uh.
It collapsed all of the snow. Fell
Oh,
off the
a
top.
bunch of snow fell off the top of the roof?
Yep.
That's snow, guys. Hot cocoa, cozy blankets, and Christmas movies.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody. Woo, it's so good.
Good. I changed into my pajamas.
Had to put some new propane tanks in. Look at these bad boys. Super frosted.
So we're ready to make our shells and cheese with some brats and so let's hope it turns out good.
It's my first time using this new little stove, so let's try it out. She's gonna dish up her food because she doesn't want any brats in hers. So.
This is his. Dish it up. Now let's see the taste test. I made half of most of it, so. Get some
Eating
water.
some warm food in a shed and it's snowing out. This is awesome.
Cheers.
Like I said, my chair's a lot higher. Hopefully you guys can see her down there. We are eating our warm food. We got our little cheers cups just because it's that time of year. Even though we're only drinking water in it. It's now 56 degrees in here. It feels amazing. It's like a kind of like a cool, fresh air, but yet you're nice and cozy over here. So right by the heater, it's obviously a lot warmer than 56, but overall it's 56 in here. Why is mine not working? Why is not mine working good? These are like s'more versions. They're like really flat.
Yeah, like.
So you can see them, like super flat.
We'll show you when we're making them. How much do you want?
I'll have two. Here's how flat they are. Here, turn it up.
Whoa. Don't want to get like those two. Is that good? Or no, I need this.
That's good.
Oh. See how these marshmallows go?
Dang, that looks like a lot of marshmallow. I think the candy's a little cold. I think the Hershey's chocolate's a little cold, but pretty good.
This looks so good. I haven't had one in a while.
Is the chocolate a little hard? The chocolate's a little cold.
Pretty good.
Chocolate's got to be warmer. Oh, we got our little ladder leaned up. That's how we get up right now. Been to the little...
I'm a burrito.
There she is. You can think you're going to be nice and warm?
Maybe.
Here's the look from up high. Here's our heater. Got the lights, 2020. There's my little bed over there. Can't wait to go over there and climb in her. She's nice and cozy. Got my 0-degree sleeping bag over there, so I'll be plenty warm. Last I looked, it said it was like 57 degrees in here. Up here, it's even warmer because all the heat rises.
We're sleeping opposite sides.
I'm on the opposite side over there.
Let's hope we don't roll here.
We do not want to fall. It's about a 7-foot drop, so definitely do not want to fall down there. Garbage can next to Savannah, so she would hit that and that thing would make serious noise before she would even fall off. So it's bedtime. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It was freezing in here when we woke up, obviously, because we didn't have the heaters on, but we survived the night. My daughter was really cold, so this morning I had to go grab a comforter from the house and put that on top of her, but she didn't have super warm sleeping bags, so learned lesson. Here's the temperature now. It is 26 outside, and now it's 42 in here. We have both of the heaters going because it is cold, so we got that one on high, and then I just turned this one on also, so it should warm up here pretty quickly. Next time I'll definitely have to bring my probably negative 35-degree sleeping bag, so you just wouldn't think it'd be that cold, but inside a shed that's uninsulated, and it's really windy out now, so I'm going to show you guys outside here. My camera will just... But like this stuff is like frozen now, if you can even see it. It's so bright, but it's like completely frozen. And it snowed a lot. There was like almost nothing on the ground yesterday, literally like no snow, so a good amount came down. So let's get back in here. Brr, it's windy out there.
Chocolate chip.
She picked this, so this has to be our breakfast. So probably just gonna have a little bit of one of them. She'll eat one, and that'll be good enough until we're in the house. Then we'll have our real breakfast. But thank you. And my 2022 plate. It's good? Good.
But cold.
It's cold, yeah. That's what happens when you're in an uninsulated shed in the winter. Alright guys, well hopefully that was semi-enjoyable to you. Wasn't planning to have my daughter originally, but she had winter break, so we brought her with. And sounds like she had some fun. She got a little bit cold, but now we are good to go. So we're going to clean up here, and we are going to head inside the warm house so I can take care of the dogs and all that stuff. So we will see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Bye.